What's up, guys? So right now I'm gonna head to work, but I'm taking the tires to I'm taking my tires, my wheels and my tires to get these old ones unmounted and then get the new ones mounted. So I ended up going with the what's it called, the Nitto NT 555s G2. There's some pretty good reviews, and there's like some people saying they're kind of shit, but you know, for a budget wheel, I mean, people are saying they're pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and I went ahead and got those. I told the people at Discount Tire if they don't fit, because I went with 255s 40. If there's a way I can return them, they said yes, so I'm not too worried about that. So I'm gonna take the tires or the wheels, get them mounted, and then bring them back today. Later in the day, test fit them, and I'm gonna see if they fit. If not, I'm gonna take them back and go smaller size. And I'm still kind of like debating if I should go with all seasons. So today's kind of my last day before I can change that. So I'm gonna come test fit them, and I think about more if I want all seasons or all summer tires. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna do that today. Let me show you. Today I'm taking the Mamalona V8 Ford Explorer. It's just rare. People always, every time I say that's a V8, they're like, really? But yeah, I got the tires mounted here. If anyone's wondering my tire specs, these are 17x9 plus a 35 offset, and then my tires, my wheel, that's my wheel set specs, and then my wheel or my tire specs are 245 40s, and then these are, if you want a good pair of all seasons, these are Cooper Xeon like RS3 31 G or something like that. These are pretty good. I've had them for about like 2 years already, and they leave the car, no issues, pretty good tires. That's why I'm still debating if I want all seasons or summer tires, because these are pretty good and they look decent on the car. I kind of just went with the summer tires just because I like the look of them, and I've never actually driven on summer tires, so I want to see the difference between both of them. But yeah, guys, I'm headed to town. I'm probably gonna record until I get to Discount Tire, and even then I probably won't record much because I don't want to be all up in their faces while they mount my tires. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys later. What's up, guys? So I just got home from town, from work, and getting my new tires mounted. I didn't record much at Discount Tire because like my appointment was at 5 and they closed at 6, and they were kind of backed up, they were kind of busy, and I didn't want to have a camera in their face, and also like I don't feel comfortable recording in public yet. So yeah, but the tires are mounted and they're pretty thick boys. They're pretty meaty. Here, let me show you guys. So here they are. Here, let me get an older one so I can show you guys, compare them. They were pretty quick with it once it was my turn. Shit. Yeah, so pretty good service. They're quick, fast. Let's see. It's not gonna be a big difference. Just yeah, these are 245s, and the new ones are 255. So as you can see, the difference there, just a little bit. And yeah, so I went with the, I think I already mentioned this, I went with the Nitto's NT 555 G2, and they also installed this. I've had this valve stem for the longest time, ever since I got the wheels. But like when I first got these tires, I took them to a shop, and the shop was also about to close. It was like super late in the day, and they're like, dude, we honestly don't know how to put these on, so if you wanna put them on, you're gonna have to come back another day. And I was like, nah, fuck that. Like it was like when I barely got my RPF once, and I was like, I want to see them in the car already, so I skipped on that. But now they're on, and I think it makes the wheel pop out because it's blue. And yeah, so I'm gonna throw them on the car, see how they look. I wanna see if it rubs or not. My fenders are rolled and everything, but still, I wanna check if it rubs. If it rubs, it's either I go down to a 245. Again, I talked to Disc and Tire, and they told me that they have a 30-day return policy, so I'm not tripping about that. And yeah, so I'm gonna turn them on. If they rub, it's either I return them or it's either I raise the car, which I don't want to do because I like the ride height right now. And yeah, we're gonna find out right now. And also guys, I did something to the car. I took off the little top diffuser thing here in the roof, but you can see it left like a line. It cooked the paint. It's not very noticeable unless you actually like focus on it. But I took it off because it was the paint on this was pretty bad. The clear coat especially was pretty bad. I don't even know if it's clear coat, but it's plastic. I don't even know if they painted it or not. But I went ahead and painted it again. It came out decent, but I kind of like the simple look of it. Let me know in the comment what you guys think. In the comments, what you guys think. I kind of like this, but if that line bothers me in the future, I'm gonna throw that back on. But for now, I'm gonna rock it simple, clean little daily. But yeah, guys, let me throw the tires on and let's see how it looks like with the meats. All right, guys. So why not? So the tires are on. They look pretty good. What do you think, Luis? Damn, you in the front of my robe, dude. Hell yeah. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna go drive right now, but I'm gonna go eat first because I'm fucking hungry. Damn, that shit looks good though. Hey, at least all this meat just for 300 horsepower? It's crazy, huh? Me acting like it's fucking 600 horsepower. That shit is clean though. I like it. Oh shit. But guys, I think the front and back are gonna rub, but but he said that only if it has 0 miles.
How the fuck are you gonna know that? It's not like you're driving a hella.
Yeah, I'm over drive right now. See if it rubs or not. And put some tire shine on it.
Yeah, you gotta test it like. Yeah, you gotta like just see like what's the worst road that you drive on.
I fucking fend my quarter pound's off. Nah, I think we should be good, bro.
It's because it kind of looks like the 230, the 245.
Yeah, alright, guys.
It's because that jump's not that bad, bro.
Yeah.
From the 245 to 55 now.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just keep him. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go eat, and then I'll see if I take it on a test drive or not here in a bit once I finish shooting. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go test the tires out, see if they rub or not. From here, it doesn't look like they're gonna rub or anything, but we'll find out right now. Alright. Go. I don't think so. Nah, I think that's good.
I think that's just whatever.
Alright, guys, let's see if it rubs or not. There's like a bump up here that I want to see. That's like the one that I'm like, oh shit. trying to sit here though, like that mirror. Come on, the rope. Ah, you bitch.
That's a little bit on
Damn. That was the front though, huh?
Yeah.
Or is that the back?
No, I heard it from this one.
Over here? I heard it from this one.
Maybe both of them.
Damn, it's usually the back that rips for me, always.
Yeah, I get in a rip pretty hard. Just go to this speed right there.
Hell nah.
Plus, yeah.
That was a bag.
I feel like.
Was it a bag in the front?
I heard it in the front. Though.
Really?
Yeah.
Again?
You put your signal full.
Oh shit, my bad. I was spacing out.
Just don't know where you're going.
Oof.
Perfectly normal.
That's perfectly normal. Should I do for that?
Yeah, I think you should.
What's sexy?
Nah, I feel like it's just windy.
The chest? The first guy I talked to, he's like, yeah, you can return him as long as they have 0 miles. Like, don't run it on them. And then this guy I talked to today, he's like, yeah, bro, just bring him in. And he got 30 days. I was like, all right. Oh shit! Let me slow.
We caught air.
Hey, we caught air. I fucked that shit too, bro. Hey, bro. What's there? Oh, where's that stove behind me? Oh, I'm fucking cooked, boy. Sorry, guy. Hey, look, quick little Yui. My all season's grip better, bro.
Hold on, that was the worst part of the way. We just made it spin 8K on a supercharger just to gain 90 horsepower in the home one.
Yeah, violent, bro. His 2.5 RS is clean though. Fuck with that shit.
¿Ya no tiene su other, su STI?
Which one? The blue one? Oh yeah, but it's down, I think.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, that was it. It rubs sometimes, but